Hi, Maureen Coughlin with the Weingarten team, here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 88 Loomis Drive in Chicopee, Massachusetts. Come check out this fully renovated ranch featuring 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths with over 1,800 square feet of living space. Let's go take a look. Situated in one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Chicopee, this dream home checks all the items off your list. This incredible property has it all: granite countertops, tiled backsplash, and beautiful hardwood floors. You're not going to want to miss this one, with a first floor laundry, cozy fireplace, and a finished walkout basement. Out back, you'll find a 2-car garage, fully fenced-in private yard, and an incredible deck for entertaining family and guests. We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 88 Loomis Drive in Chicopee, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below. Here at the Weingarten team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you.
You want me to stand over here and I'll go?
No. No, I don't. Yeah.
You're fine, just talk like you're an orchestra, right?
But I'm not an orchestra. I don't talk like this.
You are.
I'm practicing. I'm like pretending.
You want to do my red men put guys here.
Using the bloopers.
Maybe.
Maybe not.